children, now come to the next. So addition of decimal numbers. So here I have taken two numbers, 528 and 7.49. So two numbers I have taken, one is a whole number and another is a decimal number. So now first thing is, in first step, change the whole number into like decimals. So this is a whole number, we have to change this number into like decimals. So second number is 7.49. So after point 2, after point 2 digits are there. So we just change 528.20, we just put over there after decimal. Now 7.49 you just write below. Like that we have to arrange in a column. Then you line up the decimal points like that. You just see. Okay. Now add. So 0 plus 9, 9. 0 plus 4, 4. You just check this answer. And decimal point is there after 2 digit. So you just put the decimal sign over there. Then 8 plus 7, 15. 5 is written over there. 1 is carried over. Okay. Now 2 plus 1, 3. 5 comes down like that. Okay. Like that you have to add. Is that clear, children? Now come to next. Subtraction of decimal numbers. So two numbers I have taken over there, 3.8 minus 1.26. So first thing is, in addition also we have done, change into like decimal. Okay, 3.8 into 3.80. Like that you have to change, because in second number after decimal two numbers are there. So we have to put 1 0, because one number is already over here, just 1 0 we have to put. So here I have done like that, 3.80 minus 1.26. Then you subtract. So here 0 is present, so I borrow 1. 10 minus 6, 4. You just check over there. Then 7 minus 2, 5. And 3 minus 1, 2. And in between you just give this decimal point. Like that you have to do. One more examples I have taken. So 8.97 minus 2.82. Is that clear? So here 8.97 minus 2.82, you arrange those numbers in a column. Okay, because these two numbers are decimal numbers, so no need to change. So here you just see 7 minus 2, 5, 9 minus 8, 1, and 8 minus 2, 6. Like that you have to subtract. Now come to the next. So multiplication of decimal numbers. How to multiply? So here I have taken two numbers, 3.77 into 2.8. So just arrange in a column, 3.77 I have written over there into 2.8. So here you see two decimal places are there here. In first number, two decimal places are there. After decimal, two numbers are there, 7, 7. So two decimal places are there. In second number, one decimal place is there. After 2.8 means after point 1 number is present over there, 8. So now you just multiply. Normally normal multiplication has been done over there, and decimal sign means here two decimal places and one decimal places. So three decimal places. After multiplication you just leave 3 place from the right and put the decimal sign. Just see over there. So this is your answer. Is that clear? Now come to one more example. Multiply like whole numbers, count decimal places in the problem, and put the same number of places behind the decimal in the product. So these are the steps. So one more example I have taken. You just see here two decimal places are there, one decimal place is there. So three decimal places are there. So you just put decimal point. You just leave 3 digits from the right and put the